Meet Brevvo, your ultimate portable espresso machine, designed for adventure. Whether you're on a mountain trail or exploring the great outdoors, Brevvo is by your side. With patented design and sophisticated engineering, it brews a superb cup every time. With Brevvo, you're not just making coffee, you're making memories in the heart of nature. Built to be as tough as your adventures, Brevvo is lightweight, durable, and easy to carry. Brew espresso exactly the way you like, whether you prefer convenient capsules or freshly ground beans. It's the flexibility you want, without compromise. Savor every sip wherever adventure leads you, with nature and the perfect brew in hand. And there's more. It doesn't just keep you energized. With its integrated high-capacity power bank, both you and your devices stay charged, so you're always ready for whatever comes next. Embrace the freedom to explore, the joy of the outdoors, and the ritual of the perfect brew. With Brevvo, every adventure becomes an opportunity to pause, appreciate, and enjoy life's simplest pleasures, wherever the journey takes you. Your trail, your brew, your Brevvo.